This video review is on the outdoor fan. I purchased this for my gazebo and it's perfect. The electricity I have hardwired, and the light will come on as I have it set when I flip the switch, and the fan I like to manually turn on, but there is the light option. You can shut the light off manually. And then this has 3 speeds. That was the fastest initially, and that's medium, low. It has the option also to set it in reverse, which is great for when the season changes and maybe you don't want the hot air or cold air, rather cool air, blowing down on you, but you'd rather have it up. You can do that as well. It was very easy to install and came with great directions. Very happy with this product.